Good morning to all of you. So I hope you are fine. So today's video about your revision first, which is I have taken from your book, the grammar book, chapter number first, the sentence. I hope you know that this type of question will come in UT first. For some student, those are new one. So for that one also, and for you also, I'm making this video. So please you see it and try at home. So first I have taken from grammar book, first chapter, the sentence. So we see a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So this is the definition and this is the examples and note also. Okay, so suppose you have a question ki a group of words that make complete sense is called, what it called. So four option will be there, you take the correct answer. If you know the chapter, if you read the chapter also, so easily you tell the answer. Okay, like a sentence begin with a dash letter. Which letter will start the our sentence? So you can see these chapters like that and read it fully. Okay, and what is the phrases and phrases example also you can see. You learn all the definition notes which is given here, and that clauses. Okay, kinds of clauses, what is the sentence, kinds of sentences, and what is the this is the four types of sentences you can see here, and assertive sentence, and how many kinds of assertive sentences. Two are there, affirmative and negative. Some people have read the book affirmative, some people have not read the book negative. So we use a full stop at the end of the assertive sentence. Which sentence we are using full stop? So you can say assertive sentence. Okay, interrogative sentence. Interrogative, two kinds of sentences are there. Interrogative sentences are of two kinds, yes, no and WHO. If I'm asking how many type of interrogative sentences, so you have right two types. Okay, so this is the interrogative auxiliary verb. These things I made the video, I will send you, and please you read this chapter fully, this one portion also and that one portion also, each and everything. WHO question, how the formal conversation it is usual to use who instead of whom, like that one. Okay, each and everything you read it because all this chapter important. Okay, so what is interrogative pronouns? This one also imperative sentences, and like this question you can make also by yourself. This type of question ma'am can give you. So you take this page and start make at least 5-6 question in one page. Okay, from here also you can see formation, what is the question tag formation, each and the parts of sentence, two parts of sentence, subject and predicate, and this one wrap up also you read it please. Okay, and this one fully, this one also read it. Okay, and this one also, this exercise is given to you, and that one also. Okay, I hope you understand. And one thing in your course book also, from a course book also, first chapter your Frank's Toyland one, with that one chapter also you read it and make the at least 10 questions, 10 and 12 question by yourself. Ki which type of question man can give, who's the author of that chapter, Tom Hood. Okay, Tom Hood, sorry, Hood, Hood, Hood. So that one you see it, and who was that Tom, sorry, that one Frank to meet him in Thailand, Glow Confess, like this one question there. So you try to make that question and do in your copy it for the revision. Okay, so I hope so this chapter clear you. This type of question will come, like is the part, this one is the part of sentence which says something about the subject. Which sentence says something about the subject? So it's called a predicate. Is a word that about which something is said, it a subject, like this one you learn it. Okay, you can see that fully chapter today I given this for noun also. You can see that one, nouns. A noun is the name of person, kinds of noun, all the things read properly. Okay, countable, uncountable nouns. Okay, these all examples, formation of abstract noun, especially this one suffixes are already explained you. That one chapter also you read it this fully. Okay, and this one collective nouns, what is the collection of fish, show a number of dictionary of company, both a number of cattle, swan, herd, and that one your number of thieves, pack. Okay, all the things you read it. Collection of grapes, bananas, keys, bunches, flowers. Flower also we can say bunch, and bouquet. Okay, I hope you clear that one. This thing also fully learn it, all of you. This one also, this wrap up also you read it, all the definition what is I've written from here, also I given questions, and see this one exercises, this one also you read it. Okay, that one also. Adjective I have not given, only few chapters, sentences and noun I have given to you for your UT first. So these are both chapters very easy, so you would see that all the things carefully and complete it. Okay, so till then you just completed this one, and then I will send you exercises, not exercise, some question I will send you. For that one you just prepare it. Okay, next video second revision I will give you later, and then you just do that this one exercises and complete your work. Okay, so till then take care, and that which exercise and which revision I will send you today, you just see it in your app and complete in your copy. Okay, from course book also first chapter only I will give you, and grammar one, these two chapters I will give you today. Okay, so you see it and complete it at home, and do revision by yourself also. Okay, don't think this question will come only, I've given more, so that one we do it. Okay, so you do it this one and read it carefully. Okay, each and everything read it. So this is 1 and 2 chapter will come in UTU first, the sentence and the noun, and course Frank, and second your the first man on moon, like that, and the poem the good one. Okay, so you just do that and learn it. Okay, so take care and have a nice day.